Oriativos na kwachiro makuru agacenshire amazina Mbabazi Charity kandi risobanuro wakana ebiro ni 16 byo kwa mshanjuro 2026 ishaha ni birezo mwebazi nisha kwisi ebishamto kandi kundagace nja kwisi amakuru agacenshiro mbujiri
Yamakuru ne kushibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singa kwetaga
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo gusashulira sende zone.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Omugacenshire kireki miliyoni ziri kurenga 250 nizikoresa ubwo kushusha icyayi cya Nyagisharara omuri Mbarara buri kwezi
no kushara ibinyanse biriho agishayi
hariho abatandukiro kujinjira stamp ya NRM okwesimba abwa chairman LC wano muri Mbarara. DPC wa Mbarara yayomesereza Bright Muhumuza okuyabire naenda kumutomera.
Don't vulgarize these things. They are illegal.
Emito y'amakuru yabane kushibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
Singa kwetaga
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo gusashulira sende zone.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Mbabazi Charity kandagana makuru agacenshiro mbujire aba Uganda Civil Aviation Authority nibakoresa miliyoni 250 n'omushobo okushusha omwata no kwinjira echayi ecanya chara nabajira ngo abakozi 89 abarukora hamwanyogu ebihandiko byabo tibishoboro kire reka turebe biri kukira
byahajanwaho omukachiko kishenjero aka physical infrastructure akarukukorerwa honorable Mwinempaka obuba abantu babugana abahangu okurwa mu kitongore cy'enyonyi ekya Civil Aviation Authority. Omukwajanoku cyamanywangu aba Civil Aviation Authority nibakoresa miliyoni z'urukurenga 250 okushusha hamwe no kuromwata ogurukumera mu cyayi cy'enyonyi ekya Nyagisharara omuri Mbarara.
waza kureba nk'ekite cya Nyagisharara ite nyo kinkumanya kurya history nyine no kushara ebinyanse biriho agishayi na no kushana ku painting no kushashura mizi n'amashanyarazi bwiro bwinyi no shanga na gate kingire hari umusirikare wa security so twabashaba ngo bagarike baterera accountability zesente baturana bakora kimyaka giyona agishayi iki
hona nabwo cyamanywangu abantu 89 bakatunga emirimo omukitongore eki bari kukoresa empapura ez'ebicupuri
icyaba yambana mwene human resource manager wabo yaburaho tiyija konkora cyiko rukwija twamjyango arebe ngo yabaruho ko stokwasa kubone kitongore kiruma abakozi 89 abacupire papura twina abana bakuru ga university buri mwaka baronde mirimo amagaraga abantanyo wagakwasa umuntu utabishomire wacupure bitawo abire na twaresende zo muntu wahanse zo mushoro so twashaba na management yona tani kiramu kama wabo nabo barete papara byabo nabo tuberebe
aba hona batera tochi omwibanja erukubanjwe kitongore ekya Civil Aviation Authority
ajarito omo Civil Aviation ekitongore ekyo katu nibajara ya miliyoni 336 report iba terizo ibaje aturukuzire ni miliyoni 2 biliyoni 2 makumi ashatu nchimanyisa ngo hagati ya emeze nkamushanje ze sente zeyongiri banja zeyongire biliyoni 10 byana norango kishaye iki turiyakize bucamana
akachiko kishenjero aka physical infrastructure okweta abakuru kurwo mu kitongore ekya Civil Aviation Authority nubwanyuma ya report yo mubazi mukuru w'ebitabo ebya government eyo mwaka oguhwire kandi akachiko karaganisa okugaruka kubeta
Erizoba cyabiciro cya kabiri w'akakiiko ko bururu akarukwandika barikwenda kwesimba ahantebe ya LC1 konka ba Electoral Commission bayireko kwatwaho ahabwa abantu abatandika kuchipura stamp ya NRM.
Kurigera Electoral Commission okuchipara stamp kwa kanya mu division ya Mbara City South muri Mbara City abantu bagira ngo arone bigombe ebiliyoni bwera besimbira okuchipara stamp ya NRM ekintu cyo bari kugira ngo n'ecyaka bimunonga kwesimbaho kwabo
abamwe yaro turebire no shanga n'aba NRM bin stamps ibiri. Okay, oshanga wa FDC je na stamps zingahi ibiri obuza kana abantu babiri bore ka bin stamp ya party okabya tubakwatira n'amazina imbacweza amazina kuwereka mutakuza kusayiningira NRM noha arasonje independent FDC noha owanupu noha ati ko kuleta form ejo njireba debize yasayininga noha bikufanganira nyine kujya tinga stamp niyo ko kusanje tiki mbona mbugufata chipura na stamp ze na stamp chipura mbacho wari buva kuna furaga tumanya alwa kuna furaga abantu mwe furaga ni umuntu omwe kandi boto sofi no nawe mukujari omwe FDC kujari omwe ba independent zombi jabari binji
okwandika bari kwenda kwayanira entebe z'ebyaro omwe n'obukiko bw'abakazi kutandikira nyuma abazyo kandi nukuza kwa sande ya weekend
nangwenu poranye n'ekintu cyo twayongera ntuza gukora imihanda yitenje kushemera buri family erengu yatunga accessibility yo muhanda kurangwa cya kabiri tukatungira amashanyarazi nangwenu teraba MP bit umrango ngo batishikiho batugereze ubuherezo bwe amashanyarazi tubasiga tunga icyamizigo sofa gatangiye kuchika hii nangwenu yenda kushaba aba MPs na city mayor mungire kutukwasa kurangwa miziga ikabwomo
akakiiko ka Electoral Commission bakoresa obwiro obukumanyisa abantu abarikweta okumanyisa abantu ebirikwetagwa abantu benda kwesimba
nominations nezabush. Okay, ubu taro sente yona icya kabiri nominations zikwe no mutashomere ubu shomere obatashomere twenda qualifications zawo qualifications uri mu Uganda uri mu tuzo cyare cyo yandikisho mu cyare intego uriyo mu register imyaka 18 uri nanga mu twatona nini
abahereze ko yandikisa kwa yanere entebe z'ebyaro n'obukiko bw'abakazi baburwa okuratara amateka agahatirwa ekitongole kya Electoral Commission okwenda kwehara okwesimbaho kwabo kushazibwamu bayireta tura orukurra ebyo burura bwa Mbara City weya yakura buroku agomeze ngora ageza katandika kutera campaign obwire butakashikire ariye nururya
twamaliza nominations tugenda bichuta campaign abantu ambatandikire campaign wetu campaign tezikabaire kutandika bajja kubasiba mulinde mutandike campaign ebiro 20 burya kontandika campaign kandi campaign za bakiara onda bakazi zijja kubaho kuruga ebiro 2 mpaka ebiro 22
ono guyarabura bembezi abari mu ntebe za higuru okwetantaro kwejwanze mbururu bwa LC1 hamwe n'ubukiko bw'abakazi
batandikira kurwana abandi bakatandika kurwana n'okwehandikisa tulinda obusinge abagonza kwesimba otusero obururu bwaitu tugamba supporters baitu batwakaro rukyonka tutarwana tuina abantu abakweteka mu bururu bunu kuno batesimbiroho tukubaterera bayiraba tuleka abantu abagonza kwesimba mu LC1 besimbo tuina aba politicians abali mbikaro bya haiguru abaku influencinga hansana baleta abantu kurwana kyonka tukubaterera ngo tuleka abantu bano besimbo basera obururu bwabo tutongere mu buvuyo
izo bananyizere kwihandikisa ahabwe entebe ya chairperson LC1 iyo mwanya gwa harwe West Kanyara West Ward
abantu kungira urahone nasanga abantu nibenda bakore gukorerwa mu bantu nibenda kwata je kuba abantu bobine ba mandate
abantu ziri to siyamana munonga ati byo kubanze ejo cyabe kitaro ko kuryo nyuma kandi tukatika muri yotunguka konka ekirunje kiroho ubujyana nabo bakwijanka independence stilo tubanya n'abantu bari narimo
twineshonga nyingi mu rubomba ko kukira munonga tugamba ka insecurity ryo mu Siyona twine program za kucira aba UEDC nibatwicereza washanga omuti ugwa security ugwa mashanyarazi kugwa mu rugudo
tubasa kutekaho security lights kandi UEDC itatucharging kure kitu no kujya no kuzegura.
Sayimo Gideon Ngomazi ni umwe wa TV Western Show ngawasura akaruru government ya Uganda weekend Saturday Sunday baza gukora. That means no kisa iyo hereza ka kushintu gambo akaba cyane ka kutero abana bishatu akabashija katero na munane cyari no kushanga TV Western kana sigase ni Gideon nabo mrembo bakusimubuza.
Mkama wangu madam bayo watora madam woli tukwebaza webale kutuga idinga notwara nomination zino sinyangu without your guidance to this cause
wa TV West Ndisengendo Abdukarim na Senyomo Gideon
Mwebare abashatse bituma makuru kandi tumendeza karura kihurere. DPC wa Mbara City Kenneth Kabwigo gumisiriza herizoba yayomesereza Bright Muhumuza wa National Unity Platform mishogomera mzwida ryo kubanza Ochengi ya face nko kuyabire arahace kumutomera nemotoka ombwire bwa karuru omwako gwire omshangogu gwayongerwayo mpaka 2013 byo kwa mnana 2026 ho baragarucho mkoti okuritsiriza n'ubushuruzi obundi.
Koti y'umurimbarra erizoba yagaruka mukuru rubanja ho mudumizi wa polisi ya Mbara City Kenneth Kabwigo gumisiriza yatabarize Bright Muhumuzo wa Nupu ariko mujuna no kwenda kumutomera na motoka no kujemere beragero.
Sped off because his car was still on engine. Sped off towards me where I was standing in front of him, running overrunning the checkpoint, almost knocking me. I survived by jumping off to the roadside.
Superintendent of Police Kabwigo yagambira koti ngo hizoberyo akabari yahakiragiro cyabakama bababire bamugambire ngo aremese president w'ekibina cya Nupu Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu okukora kakuyege no kureta kwa kashashamaro omutawuni ya Mbara.
President of Nupu had been in the city with the hundreds of supporters.
SP Kabwigo yashaba koto kusinyisa Bright Muhumuzo rubanja emusindi kikabura mu rukumara ubwire okwena ngo batahibe bareke kujemere beragiro. Ba Prida ba Bright Muhumuza ababa bebembirwe muhanguzi Honorato wa Newmark Advocate we no muramuzo babuza DPC Kabwigwe bubuzo furizo mwene kwikumushobero ko arabigarukemo.
Is the one who was driving.
Which vehicle was it?
It was I was not able to get the number plate clearly, but it was
that type of
the type. Is it a Land Cruiser? This white or silver in color, because those colors, if you don't, but it was white Land Cruiser. And Cruiser or Prado, I can't, but it is that in that shape.
And don't vulgarize these things. They are illegal. Do you know how to read? Do you know how to read?
The evidence I shall give touching the matter before court shall be the truth and nothing else but the truth.
Aha koto nho yasharira mukongeza yo kuro rubanjoru okusebiri 13 byo kwa munana 2026 gasha kwa Elias Rutugusa.
Webare Elias Rutugusa Aisha Maria St. Leo's College Chegobe omurembo Fort Porto n'umuto wa Shangaraf Museme omshomesa hotaru kureba kandi n'omshomesa w'ishomeri ya computer. Umunyamakuru witu Jonathan Singwire aitirira omshomesa ogu okubasa kuganiraho nawe okwarukora omurimo gogo.
Raf Musime akatandika emishomo ye ahishomere rya Buhinga Primary School omuri Fort Porto omyaka ya 9 kandi akahendera ekibina kya mushanju omwaka ogw'2025 akeija yayegita hara Upper Secondary School omuri Kampala ahi yashomire okusya omusinia ya mukaga omwaka ogw'2011
2005 bona mazile P7. Then senior 4 had 2009, 2010 2011 when I was in senior 6, then 2015 my first degree, and then 2022 when I was in my second degree.
Ogu akashoma ebyobwegese kandi yaheza omwaka gw'2015 ahari Kyambogo University kandi akatunga omurimo bwa nyuma ya university yatandika kukora omu bya customs omuri Jinja. Ebi byona ari kushoma nokukora Musime akaba nahweza kurungi bitu akija kuba empumi bwa nyuma y'okutayayira omukundwa we omurunarya Kampala owamucumisire amisho ge gona.
Abu namazire ebizamu byange nkatunga omulimo Jinja mbere nkaba ninkora mu customs. Nkaba nyine girlfriend wange ekaraga Nalia nkagaruka kumorora betungisana atasemererwe yanjumito musho maiso.
Musime nagira ngo kuba empumi tucumuzibire okukora emirimo ye hamwe no kwebisaho.
Toso kubaho nko umuntu atakuweza ukamanejinga bubomezi wewe utakosa computer, utakosa simu ezamani, utakosa bintu ebiri technology related. I think onesangire mwegiyembera no nagondize muno bya computer. Ati nkabanye ne background ya education for my first degree, Ministry of Education of Advertising gire, with my visual impairment ndokutakuweza kwange na applyinga na competinga na basomesa abandi abataine bulema andi naraba bampostinga hanu nona tanakire kusomesa.
Tumushangira mu kibina nashomesa computer ahishomere rya Sentereos Chegobe omuri Fort Poto.
We'll hold all the names for the senior 3 students. Then in B1 we shall start putting in our marks.
Musime nakoresa teknolojia eya job access with speech eri kumuhwera okushoma ebirya hari computer ye kandi ekabihinduramu amaraka ahari kukoresa obuzindaro bwo mu matu okubihurikiriza.
Nkagora na installinga computer yange niyo nenyambaho mu kusomesa nichokora nimbanjoire ebintu mu matu nuko abana bitabatalibaniza babemba soma betu nyo bine bintu bikuba basa computer nyenkuba nimbuhura nyenka betu bamba focusinga on ha project bikuba ninyoleka na ebikuba nimbagambera n'omunwa betu bine bikuja mu matugange nyenkuba nimbuhura nyenka tegeka innocent.
Nagira ngo haroho ababire batari kumwicererezamo okora kurungi omurimo gwe konka we akeyicererezamo.
Nkahura of course after akabarobiro hubira bangamberaga nti bakekaguza ono omuntu basindikira atakuweza nakuja kumulisa owarija mu staff room kulya no hakuja kumutambuza no hakuja kumujweka no hakuja kumutwara mu klasi computer yakuja kusomesa eno huwa obukuba abantu abandi bagimanyira hati na ona agamba nyo rina amaiso nyine emikono ikugesobora hati nyo no basinde basokusindika bata omuntu rutakuweza nwagitisomesa okose ebyo nabikabaho na abana batinaga agamba hati tujya gukora tuta batsindika umusorosa atakuweza baitu obubandozere nuko gukora ibintu byange bakasemererwa muno kandi bawereho obwire bagenda nyabanyetegereza banyamba kandi kugenda aheru oku amakuru tugagarukira hano aho kwa heru hona mu community bamanyira hano hari umusomesa rutakuweza kwetu nasomesa computer.
Nagira ngo abana be bakora kurungi ishomo rye erya computer omwaka ahagundi.
Nyina class bampere nkabande mu senior 5. It was my first time kusomesa abana bakuweza kanyoti nkuweza. Abana basoma senior 5 basoma senior 6 exam byabo bya Turkire. My first product nkayahayo 6 distinctions. Kikansemeza muno ugansyo mutima gwange abukuba nkaba ntasokikiza ngo nanyi ko mundu omulema rutakuweza bisobola kusomesa omuntu urukweza kompyuta akaika exam up to the level of the distinction.
Mukuru w'ishomero erya St. Leos Chegobe Trophy atirwe hamwe n'abashamesa batahibe no kwisya obwahati nibatangara okumusime ari kuchikora.
Menyuzi ko mu rwo kubanza ubuna mutwira rya assembly abana nkabagambira nti ino musomesa onka nempumi abana bakatera mu ngaro tubatina kandi tubarimo kumushika immediately akatandikira okusomesa tinkahurira go muntu wena namucomplaining
abana mbwenu bino businje ku interactinga nawe kumubuza ibintu byo nawe kakaranga obwenje bukabire bwo kikacha higuru of course na kwesa utu aine tuzeza rukosa aine software ezarukosa computer ye ezikumuyambaho konka no mushomesa nkodi in fact koko nakugambira mwene abishobora no kukira ayita abanda bari who are not mwena abarukuriye babatine disability yona
abeji abarukushomesa nibamukunda kandi nibamwicererezamo
engera ko bana twege Samuel so unique inti wakaye najukwera computer najusinkira computer yao irinti ngunaja jikuleta physical
in class wako na egesa. The boys listen to him, he listens to the boys, because for him being blind has not been an inability. Chokubanza taso kujajinga muntu wenu.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Jonani Tsingwire ahabwa TV West.
Wibare Jonani Tsingwire oburema tubutebasa reka tumireho ntujagaruka nagarukurata
Jesse nibikushikibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute.
Amazina ndi Engineer Madari Peter, Principal w'itendekero ya Rural Vocational Training Institute. Technical eje yo kureba n'ekintu kiri kweza umugisha ngo muntu mukena wo kutandikira hansa akashoma ukebye mikono abo kuba ni levels zitakusera munonga akashoma akatandikira nka cyamushanje cyo kureberaho kanye nkatandikira cyamushanju nashoma mpereze cyamushanju nazo mu technical school Chezimbire nashoma iba kweta junior technical certificate. Can you imagine? Najheza nashoma craft certificate kahaya nashoma advanced craft certificate nashoma diploma then nashoma na diploma ndijo yo bushomesa iba kweta DT nashoma degree yanje yo kubanza ya civil engineering nashoma postgraduate mu construction management ndiyo nikora masters in fact ndiyo ni marira iba kweta construction management civil engineering. So oreba ngo technical neherezo muntu omugisha bwo kushoma ari kutandikira hansi akagumana upgrading kandi ashoma arukora hati nkanyu fizi yanje bakaherera kujisha shurira omwako gwakenda na mukaga ndiyo muyatu omu junior technical certificate kurwo gutendagakire kubasha bafizi. So ico cherezo mugisha gwo muzire okutaza habadeni akekorera umugugu ugwatari kubaza
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegesi bw'abantu bukukibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyo kwemeka byonjera koroba twanjurire Ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi binji kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuze bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena Ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabumbira muri Mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria eco nabyombecyese cyangare nkabendera ya Uganda mashangari mayiro 8 Mbarara Kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga Ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates, and Higher Education Access Certificates, and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics, and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences, and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships, and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batumu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ achumuna na wearing ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Nawo pesi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wena ningende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Skylight Hotel eresra uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City ahibaru kwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamukaga zihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent na Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensiona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kaho komukanwa karunji gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibero kurwara kozesa ABC Dent na Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirumu white gel habo mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent na Fresh Up nushanga mu brush ya meno eyabusha gushanje umaduka gona mwihanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent na Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Kampanya zitwara abantu heruzirinka hikanara
gacayina yaba tundatine
kandi mugamba uriyo pronto kogumire nishabo nyambe nyene cene maweki nyenda kukitwara hero banje ngo hari abantu
rekeraho abutwara abantu hera bese Rwanda beta bahezi recruitment expert reba hariya Amazon building mwijemba
tutware
bito nyiri
ontware ahori kwenda
itwe aba Haze Recruitment Expert nutuzaguza myaka 10 ombohereza ubwo kutwara abantu aheru erabambara nsangwa Amazon building not musanzwina not emwe not office zito za Kampala nsangwa rubowa opposite na Quarte supermarket esomu not musanzu ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga not musanzwina noti emwe 235 mukaga Haze Recruitment Expert go Haze
go better
ukashati wagendo
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gorobi rosfo nikangara kunkubya mashamera nogwa mutindo rosfo insi yokushemera kwanje okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rosfo rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho nahatinye chagare nebire byomisho rosfo insi yokushemera kwanje rosfo insi yebiroto birungi
Kurkayo omukahumuro amahaga Uganda People's Defence Forces agarukurwanisa ejubembi ahanyanja ya Albert district ya Hoima agarukora kiragiro cha kotu bochize kandi baha abantu 58 esebyenyanja bito.
Lieutenant Bob Steven Oduch sekta kamanda wa Hoima na Chukube nagira ngo bakatunge kiragiro cya koti ahabiro 30 byo kwa mukaga 2026 kirukuzo biro kugaba ibyenyanja ngo ebindu babyose bwa nyuma yo kubinagisa abashubuzi ompotoro yo kurwanisa enjubambi.
As appeal to the fishing community, I really call upon everyone to observe the law when conducting fishing activities, to avoid making losses and to avoid going to prison. We really appeal to the leaders at all levels to come together and talk to our people so that they can change from doing illegal fishing, so that we preserve our lake, and this is for the betterment of our country.
Harona nebinyanja ebisisikire ebiru contaminated ebyo nabyo noreba turion tubyosa twenda abantu babiriye bibiti hariho n'abantu ababire nibejumbiro kushoha obwenyanja obuto abona bakwasirwe bariyo mukoti kandi hato kushowe obwenyanja obuto nibateganisa obuhangwa obwensi noshanga abana bitu our grand abana babana bitu nyensi omwaka nkikumi ninga shetani batachibasa kutunga ebyenyanja omu Lake Albert.
Ebyenyanja ebiri mu buremezo bwa 58 bimwe babyokeza hamwaro gwa Kijanji omugombora ya Boseruka omu district ya Hoima.
Nangiketo kudukorezo proiremu arezi kutundwa ezindi zigya kuokebwa mulebye bigya kuokebwa ne bitimbe bimwe bakwasire bikuchwe biragiro bakatunga court order nyonko mwekulembezi kino nikimpaki ogamba abantu baitu baina kuindura titutugya kuikara mu mbera nkeno ako hane bitugenda kwokya sente.
When you look at this fish here, it costs a lot of money, and the owners have made losses. Now, if they invested this money well, it would have helped them from poverty.
Rogers Mbabazi RDC wa Hoima wabahonka Karebi yashaba baje bokura tereberagira byatirweho ukurinda amayanja garumwe byenyanja.
So abantu bamwe baturira bakwese bitimbe bitayikire nimureba nko butimba bwesiro baturira bateka hanyanja na nebitimbe bindi bakubikozesa hanyanja ibabire ni batasamu irigare atebe byona koti egaidingire ngo ebibiyone bitayikire bine kocebwa.
Bwo butimbo bwakwasirwe n'abaje bo mu biro babire batari kwikirizwa kujuba bacwiremo kubugaruza bakama babo gashakwa n'wagaba Ambrose.
Abanyamyoga home district ya Shema barabara baziro kwetoro rihanga okwejo mbero mukushomesa abana babe byemkono n'ekigendero cyo kurwanisa iburamermo ertekire musheto mu ihanga.
byagambwa izoba obwo abanyamyogo mu byo bwegese babandi babuganaho bakuru b'amashomero g'eby'emikono 88 okwetoro lihanga lyona abeteranira ha Kitagata Farm Institute mu Rukasana Shema.
When people used to be of technical college, they would assume that it is the end of the world. But I want to tell you that today technical knowledge is where now government is focused. That is why we need the new curriculum. We are going practical. We are no longer going theory.
We are in the innovations and skills development, and it is you, the principals of different institutions, who are shaping our learners on how they can improve, especially when it comes to practical work and skills development. We appreciate you so much, and we encourage you to continue bringing up our learners so that they can be able to gain and do what they are supposed to do.
Aba baganira ha miringo yo kutunguramo amashomo g'eby'omukono omu matendekero gono mu ihanga.
Tukasingire akureba ngo umwana urashome technical yaba technician yaba scientist abo kuba hati umwana wene ushomere technical wene na scientist esente na mbene tupunga tuyena na scientists itwe na mbene tari mukire mu manyango Mungu agira atagira sente tuyena tuzitunga nabwo eco nenda kushaba Uganda nazi twine families zo kushangira n'abana batano ubona bakashoma tino umwana no moyo nemero mu family hata abana abo nubwo kwa ine degree tumureta tumutandisha technical
ya kana ninga umwana uri kuba aine sound mind na yetegereza no biyo kubatarashomere na ijaha tumushomesa agenda za gukora ebitwamushomesa nkachi umwana na ijaha tumwegeso kuri simple no tumwegeso gukora nkoko ushanga na competing na bine documentation
okwejumbira mu kusomesa ebyemikono na dara mu agriculture twina agriculture institute sese farm institute naye abantu bekalangara ne central yona bayina okujumbira kutwa abayizi basome bafune emirimo basobora kweyimirizaho acyagurukarica yerabirira egwanga lino mu byemirimo okurya okunywa no kwambara
ahitendekyo lya Kitagata Farm Institute bashangaho kongera ha mutindo gwo by'obuhinzi n'oburisa aho barukoro rwezo yogati emibazi y'ebimera n'ebindi
kongera mutindo ntugamba ki twina agro processing okwata mate tukagakora mu yogati rita ya mate negura 14 hezi konka ko kugikora mu yogati oyihame mutware 2012 mbwenu ko kuteka mutindo oba wafunamu ekintu cyango kukira ahacyo kubire wabanofuna utungira mutindo
okutandika n'omwaka ogwo government neija kutandika kwatora habeji abarakore kurunje mu kibiina kya mushanju hamwe na senior kanane ya mukaga okuzombye mukono gashoka Mike atwachire
webare Michael atwachire abebembezi behanangiriziwe okoresa Crunch Office n'obushoborozi birukubahebwa kandi ebigambirwa hakusima kwa Bishop Ogez High School Home District ya Bushenyi.
Umukoro gwo kusima hari Bishop Ogez High School mu Bushenyi District webembire Archbishop witware lyambara His Grace Lambati baino mugisha umbutumwa bwe hashabira bebembezi obutusha kukozesa je ofisi bakawera abantu ati Bishop hona tungisa beji gana 29 conformation hona hamukoro gude usidedi tukabigumiro twirara umukuru w'ishomerere kumara imyaka 16 ahumwire kandi ishomero lya musibura
Mr. Usidedi kabigumira on behalf of the Archdiocese of Mbarara I thank you.
We are celebrating education, by the way. And it is because of education that I thought of an idea of putting a place like this one for education.
Anyata kabumna diosedete ndere ndekitecha wishomereri ya Bishop Ogez High School ayenkozere emyaka 16 ishomero mukajangorwa Headmaster Musya Father Vincent Muchunguzi Ibrahim Nagana byokwezi kwa kabiri umwaka
mukanukumira Deusdedit mazire imyaka 17 mu ishomereri kandi akabasa gukora ibintu nyamwinji munonga direho okomeka ebizimbe birungi okwimpruvinga enrollment y'abana kazayigura munonga.
Father Vincent Mchunguzi watorinwe nka mukuru w'ishomereri.
The academic progress, again you clap. Magnificent infrastructure as we see it here, we clap.
Umjenyi mkuru Mary Angela Nadamba kurugo ministry y'abapegese araganise uko ministry kuza kwatira hishomereri.
To pledge right from the sector where I'm coming from that we are going to fully support you. You have our full support.
Omugandi abarkwebembera amaramizo basimire gavumenti abo kwatira amashomero gabo bwambe w'umuhandiki w'ubureberezi bwa Nkore Venerable Reverend Nabasa Edson obwabire nabwa nabebembezi basya abo busaba Deacon bwa Kanyamizi muri Central West.
Miziona wiha amashomero agari hasi yo musinje gwe kanisa n'amakereziya n'emiziki. Gavumenti gwechamanisa ngo abantu bakuru tubarisho konkatu kunuyo nana ko mu Uganda yona wiha amashomero agari hasi yo musinje gwe kanisa n'amakereziya pe konkana bwe tsima gavumenti ahabo kubaleta kwatara kaka na ko tetegereze gavumenti ko kwatara cyo kumanyisa ngo ishobero ryabero rero kumara yabo kunga yegereta
abetabira mu kushomesa boku basimire ntebe kanseje
ikigererwe cyukuru kwa kuri okushomesa abaronzerwe bantu basabigire kurondwa abebembezi abwa sinodeji yabiri na mushanju kandi bagamba munonga emirimo nare roles zabebembezi abaronzerwe
twashanga mu basaba Deacon bwingo ninga kundi kutwara na district ye amashomero gona garya mutindo kwe kanisa rero na government eshe twatera kuya kureta government ngo etari mutindo kwe kanisa ni government twashanga stine obusaba Deacon mu kanisa stine mishomero nirya government mutakwatirine na mutindo kwe kanisa
sima mukama kandi tekateka no kongera ibintu
Ruth Nwamanya na Susan Charles.
Webari Ruth Nwamanya chairman wa district ya Bushenyi Prosper atwebaze yashaba abanyabushenyi okugumsiriza kandi bakarinda obusinje obwabebembezi barukora cyone cy'urukubasi ko kumara hemicejano eriyo mukanso arukugamba na TV West omukashejekerizo wa Prosper yajirangu nobukote yemerize mirimo ya district yono korwa bitu bariyo nabahajana nabo naba banyajirwe okureba ngo bataho umuhanda go kugarukana inshonga zabo kandi zikahwachitaka.
Bakansara batanu ba district bakatwara inshonga zabo mu koti barukuhakanisa akakiko k'emirimo akatorinwe hamwe n'akakiko ka district executive committee ngo kakarundwa mu miringo etashikire. Chairman Prosper nagira ngo bwa hati district shanyarire ahabo ko batine mirimo yone rukorwa akakiko ka executive no kushorora center habo kuba kote kemereza byona no kwe kushaba abanyabushenyi okushabirekero ho bwa hati
staffing levels za bushenyi ziri 51%. Umuro wa ruku government so magombora town councils ni 15%. Staffing ninge yiba kweta wage ebyamagara health bushenyi district 31%. So turiji we are not good to say mutusheme kwantu losing arashingira ku rwa government but byaguma biti agenda directive ya minister by the way ariko hereza ultimatum njitungire yesterday ariko jang baye brasha tubye kwa munana mwena mbe mwine service commissions nda njija minister najyango hari imirimo runana vacancies eziri kuri two ku improving service delivery so minister naona akireba utine service commission in place n'ubuzibu bw'amani.
Chairman Prosper nagira ngo burije abantu nibashagizana konka ba kansaro kuzo mu koti bakenda kukitaharure ngo rundi
abantu bona baje ubutikirizana ko tugushimye kuba buri umuhando gwa muhero should be last resort hashime ko engagements nyinshi kugira ngo nkeje zishongeze kubasa kuretera ukosebwa kw'abantu ombuhereza tuzakabara ombuga z'amateka goza ari mshangwe kuba kanko cyo kureberaho akatareka central market akambarara umuntu kwiyabe nakombeka abantu bargiye batumushango mukoti government yashabiye kweta stay until today akatarika maziri myaka mingi kariyo nakakora umushango tugwaka cyo bomuka imbuga z'amateka nzibasa kubasabanga emyaka yona muferwe nyonka bani ntekateka nko umuntu musiya yizire abantu aba bantu iro mukoti n'abantu abamwene bakuru batwiremo bakabana baza kunyita bajya ngo icyasho batucyanduringira hero matehwa batumata ke kuzo mukoti koti ne basaguma ne bongeze abantu baferwe.
Chairman hona yahakana sebero kugira ngo roya wa district okumashana no muramuzi ngo niye nshongere tiro mushango bagonjezayo
kubabuzire kugira a common position nuko kwikizana ngo lawyers na no muramuzi bazo mu chambers kandi bagiriye basotinga ibintu byabo nuko bayerza adjournment ningasho kongeza bwayo. Ecya kabiri nyewe tintinde kugambira amahurire ubwo sina contactingire kuba amahurire ningamanya na impact yago ninjumanya most regagenda to the contrary aside yanje ningiyo ndijo muntu wena so tabiriho ukwanise bigambo habiriho butikizana ko kuvaho umukoti nukwe bikirizine ukugenda mu cyembazo gusotinga out issues zibezira patini.
Prosper twebaze nagira ngo kire ubushenye tekisia ahabo kubentaro zitwireyo
konka tiro ngezo kwengeginga kureba ngo abantu abataramazirwe n'ibyakozirwe batunga uburinganiza ita koti ya jangwito tukakora inshobi ninga nabo bakutabarza ibintu tukabikora kurungi nuko district ya Muvinga
ebino bibera bene bigendo minsho abatura bashabwo kurinda obusinje agumize ngo byonane bizako gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi
webare Abraham Muganzi home district ya Bushenye reka tumeraho ntugaruka nagarukorata
Handika izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha kituzi yenywere kituzi ohurema twenge aha mumiro nikikorwa kurwo mu kituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nikikorwa ba kituzi farm company limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma bya mutindo kituzi drink ikirizibwa kitongore cyo mutindo mu ihanga UNBS kandi neshangwa mu maduka na supermarket zone mu ihanga kushubura tere simu noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twina bitana shatu nemwe ninga noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda.
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahereza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwa handitsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obzarsa na lab technology omweje rukwenda umwanya oshemire kubushyikiro kubarana urujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemire kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field buri mweje na hawo mugisha go kushoma gan mashomo ga technology kumwongera umugisha go kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugirobwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukiraho terano tumushanju 8 mukaga nishanju 3 nishanju 5 ashatu na 4
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi Chuchumura kabozi tutumure stress Tutumura burwiro komora kabozi Oshemezo mu wife oshemezo mu husband Komora tukunywa kabozi multivitamin drink Tasyo munsi y'amagara marungi Nichikuyambaho kwigura misi kireta amana masyo mubashirira hamwe n'abakazi nendijo megasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink utuntumura cyubaro na stress eco kunywa kabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi health products limited cyamibwa UNBS kandi cyuruhombe pimo bya milliliters 120 umuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwetorori hanga ryona okushobora no kumanyibira kukiraho 0 15 0
Ahubwo kushaba kwa ba members binji kandi no kwenda kubaho mu gishago kweta mu mukazano ko kubika na Ruhira Millennium Sacco akazanaka katandikire kandi nikazakwa mu kwezi kwa kabiri 2027 ubu turagabira abasinguzi ebihembo byabo yego okutamu mukazanaka no kubika mtoro 52 nugaruka higuru kandi ukatunga kakonji okutunga mukonji bwinji nicongera mica yawe yo kwangura ebihembo nyamwinshi birungi ubwe harimo pikipiki embuzi tankazamizi t-shirts hamwe n'ibindi bihembo rw'iguga abarasingura pikipiki bajaji boxer n'abarabike emitwaro 50 no garuka higuru kandi abaratwara embuzi bwoya nabo abarabike emitwaro 20 ogaruka higuru okumara emyezi mushanjiru zayitaji ryona erya ruhira millennium sako utandikireho kubika tera not 2 anana mukaga 25 ninga not mushanju 8 kinana na 8 15 nkaga na mwenda kumanye biri kukiraho ruhira millennium sako banka yanje banka yawe.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Omuliro nguwulira mulingo mutima kukankana like drums. Kalakata, kalakata, enendongo eyakusabula. Mikono free of fire, free of fire, free of fire.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka ericyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erimebyoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekikaca higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanye biri kukiraho note mushanju 2 kaga na mushanju 32 kaga nemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management, we strive for quality health.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni. Yakwera utamuhimu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompe nkoni. Wanyompe nkoni noshumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge. Nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni.
Eligenda ekintu cyo kunywa cyonka.
Mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe.
Sinza kutambura. Ngasinywede ku mpenkoni. Ukakasi. Kwata. Nawe nywako.
Tunge chupa yawe hati omaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga. Iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Mpenkoni. Wakinkorire.
Alo.
Ese bumwami mukasa.
Mutyaneyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenungiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala abisenge bimeka.
Ngabisatu.
Ebeyi agigambye.
Abangambye satano.
Deda sebeno zali nyamuko.
Yidwachi.
Anti danji je tusigisa ya mulembe. Ati nevali y'ekitundu yalinya.
Musigisachi.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Ku ceiling. Tukozesa Global Mat. Ate mundade tukozesa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukozesa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Kusinga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Gule umite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700-670-691.
The parent is Tuliahewa Dixon. And the child is Ani Tuliahewa Esther.
Kambera gwete kwa mchisha ngo ishe watu yahewa Esther wahangura school fees ngene na hateja shana amashemero kwa gonka MTN momo eberewo mbere nyegasta igana kaga ni 5 star 80 hash kushashuro mwana school fees tokoma nyo muchisheri zagwisha wanje ninga nchaka kubasa kuzo wawe mwebare munonga
Feathers sanitary pads
hamwe na ABC Feathers sanitary pads tokujara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinje bwinji n'amanu go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinje izoba lyona nechiro
quality pads affordable price.
Pads zezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers sanitary pads okwoloba amani obusinje. Feathers sanitary pads obukumi bwo mutano ombwire bwo mutano.
From 11 June to 19 July, everything can wait. The FIFA World Cup 2026. Catch all 104 matches on 4 dedicated channels, live on SuperSport, only on GoTV.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Kolkayo mkahumuro mganda makuru mwezi wa RDC wa Rukunjiri district akwatanise n'abebembezi abandi barambwiriza umwaha projects za government of district kandi ezindi basijire bazigura.
Omukwigura projects ezi omwezi wa RDC wa district ya Rukunjiri Wilberforce Ngom ayahanangirize ba contract kwetantara ukora imirimo y'ebishobobo.
Umuranga ba contractors bona bakwereza umurimo gukora koze Rukunjiri tubakishungira ubwire bwo kwishungira Rukunjiri bukaba bukora imirimo y'ishobobo nicyo rukurebera ngo umuru Rukunjiri wije akora yubushime kuba none ukura umurimo ugura up to standard. So ba contractors make sure wakora umurimo gushiki wakora umurimo gutakire tura commissioning kandi no kushashura tubaragushishira noza kushanga wakora double work.
But except for one project where the contractor did do
some good work. But we already informed him. We went to talk to him and even brought him to this work. But he seems like he's really adamant, he's not willing to cooperate. So as we have agreed, we shall notify him to rectify whatever is not good before we pay him.
Ngomu nashobora n'obujunanizibwa bwa buri mwebembezi okurebuza project za government ezirukore tumbyanga byabo.
So engineers or contractors in how value some things on the SAS bukunka it will be better to because it is our money.
Check one to microphone.
Check microphone 1 2.
This area, we're supposed to have staff.
Check 1 1 1 2.
Meaning that where they are now, they are somehow temporary, those old ones. When we get more funding for this, we shall shift them to this side. We have secured the place.
Bamwe mu bakuru b'amarwariraho project zimwe zikozerwe basimire government ahabwo kubijuka.
Nyenda kusima government ahabwa priority nyingashi amana getire omuhereti itwenka kunde health center fo ombwire butari bahari munonga government itire mamani ninji batombeshera theater kandi bagitamo ibikozeso
kandi nitwe nk'abashaka bakora aha tushemerererwemo kandi turaganisa okumanije kumaje tukagumagura ikirini kugira ngo n'abantu abakwijamo bitabakusibamo n'abarwire bitu kibase tugasira nabo kibaganyire munonga.
Project zona eziwirwa mu butongore zimazireho sente eziro kurenga miliyoni 10 gasha kwa Dana basibiye.
Webari Dan basibiye kandi nko tubabasa kwendera makuru hagacenshire agomwe bazyogu aganejejaga kwisyaho nyensha kare mu makuru agacenshire otagarga TV with Nasgaran Babas Charity murare kurunje.
Ishaha zabishatu z'ekiro na use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Na hati gumana kozesa ABC Dent na Fresher kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumeni kahumuraje izoba rion. ABC Dent na Fresher nibikuhereza kawo karonji munonga yejumbira mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresher dero oyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina.
Ni kushiwaho
oyinebogoka ndaba mu rugi ayibambene korera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program okumbereba embogo niyo embogo ibyasigara biveko embogo nembogo nyanya ngumkaza turubuzuru zara arsaza na embogo na gitera sariyuti akachupa sirinji 10 nywa embogo kumbucha embogo mixture embogo habo no manyisa yes ati arabantu abakuhagira tuna turi abahagize kuhagira movement okagira movement ariko aroho senyange asani akakwate chimotoka note chimotoka azoje chine chigambo chibi emotoka yona agitekebshane bya rwamrama yatekebshane bya pakatekebshane bya bakazi bona bambarara yatekebshane bya Museveni yagite haze motoka ye ninkuru bagumutawo wasenyanga yaga moto manyare kamba gaba arecho bakweta moving billboard
nyawe speed nazora t-shirt ya M7 ngazora t-shirt ya Honorable Bright Rwamirama abantu abikunda ngataho t-shirt ya Kibazo ngata I mean abantu abo hajire kandi bakarabamo that is a moving billboard muno mutukoto emotoka yakagiteka pande byakasibo mutawuna naba nakora umurumo gw'amani mwe kutwa kugira umbururu emotoka miliyoni 2 miliyoni 3 ite I mean tipo percentage zile sente zitutambura nazo mbuto okabire zina bimpira bote ortindo wakatete ugumara mukabire mwamugurire motoka akaturigira umbururu kantaguma akwasire pande motoka ere pande bya President Museveni Honorable Bright Rwamirama na mama Honorable mpaka wancho imwe mwena be motoka yenaka no mwana muhireze motoka because it's akakora umurumo gw'amani nkimo gumukoze abakakabarondoro buru hati barigomba baheza motoka za miliyoni 3 runda y'imotoka munde kamotoka no mukamuhereza abantu bakuhagira government mugume mbahereze abakara bakorebera abo bururu baragambareke kushikirwa abo opposition mwone kubakozereba movement cy'imotoka kakirya kakifire mu garage namugana aho mu garage mumuhereze motoka abantu abakwe hayo umuntu koreka maranga munyamotoka ajeni ya movement government must jump in omwana go kumuyihayo kareka kamuhereze motoka akajya ejeni government inakorire yes bachetegereza nyawe motoka nde bibire bakajibere hepshani ba president namgambira je tichikoza kunaka hija Kampala okwereza Morocco Nje de ampereza ndi nakozere mutibyani nabwecho ato muri yokora mujagwa katika kuresete kwa kuzaka mtu akache yechoise kiriya itu kukwata kokana nyenda kumanyisa ngo imotoka bakajibere hepshani ba president ya president imotoka abana abashuma tubakwitereza chitinus nabocho imotoka ya Hassan Senyange a police ogumwana twachenda motoka ya mtown tachenda motoka ya mtown mumugurre motoka abiya hajire mu Kimanyi yes miliyoni 20 nogure motoka numwe vere nyuka mebare mnonga nokwe kubereba iwe no birewa